So, you found Kimshi Simple and want to get started. The good news is, it's much simpler than it looks. First, click Get Started. This will take you to the sign-in page. If you're new, click Create an account. Enter your email address and choose a secure password. Your password should include a number and a symbol and be something that isn't easy to guess. Once you click Sign Up, your account is created instantly. You'll be taken straight into a sandbox environment. The sandbox is a space where you can explore the platform, try out features, and build your setup completely free. There's no charge and no commitment at this stage. You can create sessions, build your booking setup, and see how everything works. The only difference is that you won't be able to deploy your setup until you choose a subscription. Plans start from £16 a month for simple sessions, up to £149 for Momentum for Teams, depending on what you need. To go live, simply select your plan, complete checkout, and your tenancy will begin. That's it! You can explore everything first and only commit when you're ready to go live.